The power of apology, strengthening influence and respect. In a world where influence and respect are crucial to personal and professional success, the ability to acknowledge and address our mistakes is more important than ever. Failing to apologize not only undermines relationships, but also erodes our credibility and authority. In this segment, we will explore how withholding an apology can diminish your influence and respect, and why embracing this simple act of accountability can actually enhance your standing and trustworthiness. Discover how mastering the art of apology can be a powerful tool in building stronger connections and fostering mutual respect. An inability to apologize can significantly weaken a person's power and influence, both in personal relationships and professional settings. Here are several key ways this happens. Erosion of trust. Refusing to apologize undermines trust, which is the foundation of any healthy relationship. When someone makes a mistake and refuses to acknowledge it, others may feel disrespected, ignored, or undervalued. Over time, this erodes trust, making people less likely to support or follow that person. Damaged credibility. Apologizing shows accountability and responsibility. When someone refuses to apologize, it can damage their credibility because it suggests they lack self-awareness or maturity. This can lead others to question their leadership, judgment, and reliability, which diminishes their overall influence. Stagnation of personal growth. A refusal to apologize often signals an unwillingness to learn from mistakes. Personal growth and leadership are built on the ability to reflect on and correct errors. By avoiding apologies, a person not only stunts their own development, but also sets a poor example for others, weakening their ability to inspire and motivate. Increased conflict. Refusing to apologize can escalate conflicts. Without acknowledgement of wrongdoing, tensions may linger or worsen, making it harder to resolve disputes or move forward. This can lead to strained relationships and division, which reduces a person's ability to unify and lead effectively. Loss of respect. People generally respect those who can admit when they're wrong. Leaders and individuals who acknowledge mistakes and apologize demonstrate humility and strength. Conversely, those who avoid apologies are often seen as insecure or egotistical, which can cause a loss of respect from peers and subordinates. Negative reputation. Over time, an inability to apologize can shape someone's reputation in a negative way. They may become known as unapproachable, defensive, or self-centered, all of which weaken their social and professional networks. A negative reputation can close doors to opportunities and diminish the person's long-term influence. Alienation of allies. Apologies often serve to repair relationships and maintain alliances. Refusing to apologize can alienate key supporters or collaborators. Those who feel slighted may distance themselves or actively undermine the person's influence, leaving them isolated and less powerful. Decreased emotional intelligence. The refusal to apologize may signal a lack of empathy and emotional intelligence, which are critical components of influence. When a person is unwilling to recognize the emotional impact of their actions, they fail to connect with others on a meaningful level. This lack of connection weakens their ability to lead or inspire loyalty. In summary, the inability to apologize weakens power and influence by eroding trust, credibility, and respect while fostering conflict and negative perceptions. On the contrary, genuine apologies can be a source of strength, allowing a person to rebuild connections, demonstrate accountability, and maintain their influence effectively. The power of an apology. Apologizing is often seen as a vulnerable act, yet it holds immense power in shaping how others perceive and respect us. In both personal and professional spheres, the ability to acknowledge mistakes and take responsibility fosters stronger relationships and builds trust. Far from diminishing one's authority, apologizing can actually increase influence, as it demonstrates maturity, accountability, and emotional intelligence, qualities that naturally command respect. 1. Demonstrates accountability and responsibility. When someone apologizes, they take ownership of their actions and the consequences they may have caused. This accountability is crucial in earning respect, as it shows maturity and a willingness to face mistakes directly rather than deflecting blame. Others are more likely to respect individuals who are responsible and reliable in addressing errors. 2. Exhibits humility. Apologizing requires humility, which is a highly respected trait in both personal and professional relationships. By admitting wrongdoing, a person shows they value the relationship or situation more than their ego. This humility encourages others to view them as approachable and open to growth, which fosters greater respect and admiration. 3. Strengthens trust. Apologies help restore and strengthen trust. When someone acknowledges a mistake and seeks to make amends, it reassures others that they are honest and have integrity. Trust is built on transparency and vulnerability, and those who apologize effectively create a foundation of reliability, making others more likely to trust and respect them. 4. Shows emotional intelligence. Apologizing often involves recognizing the emotional impact of one's actions on others. This requires empathy and emotional intelligence, traits that are highly respected because they demonstrate an understanding of others' perspectives and feelings. When people see that someone cares about their emotional well-being, they are more inclined to respect that person. 5. Facilitates conflict resolution. Apologies play a key role in resolving conflicts and restoring harmony. When someone apologizes, they help de-escalate tension and pave the way for healing and reconciliation. This ability to manage and resolve conflicts respectfully is a leadership quality that earns admiration and respect from those involved, as it shows a commitment to maintaining positive relationships. 6. Demonstrates courage. Apologizing, especially in difficult or tense situations, requires courage. Admitting fault can make someone feel vulnerable, but doing so displays bravery and a strong character. People respect those who have the courage to acknowledge mistakes rather than shy away from them. This kind of strength is often valued as a mark of true leadership and personal integrity. 7. Promotes personal growth and learning. By apologizing, a person signals their willingness to learn from their mistakes and improve. This openness to growth is respected because it reflects a mindset of continuous improvement, which others can look up to and admire. People respect those who strive to be better, especially when they are willing to reflect on past actions and make positive changes. 8. Sets a positive example. Apologizing can inspire others to take responsibility for their own actions. When a leader or peer models the behavior of owning mistakes and making amends, it encourages a culture of accountability and respect. This influence extends beyond the individual and can elevate the respect others have for them as a role model. 9. Reinforces integrity and honesty. Apologizing is an act of honesty, especially when it's sincere and not forced. Integrity is one of the most respected qualities in any individual. People who apologize when they are wrong show that they prioritize truthfulness and fairness over saving face. This enhances their credibility and fosters a reputation for integrity, both of which inspire greater respect. 10. Builds stronger relationships. A heartfelt apology can strengthen personal and professional bonds by clearing the air and showing commitment to the relationship. People respect those who are invested in maintaining healthy, respectful connections, and apologies help demonstrate that commitment. Over time, this helps build deeper mutual respect and trust. In summary, apologizing increases respect because it highlights accountability, humility, courage, emotional intelligence, and a commitment to maintaining integrity. People respect those who are willing to admit when they are wrong and take steps to repair any harm done, fostering stronger relationships and more effective leadership. Conclusion. Apologizing is not a sign of weakness, but rather a profound display of strength and integrity. By admitting mistakes and seeking to make amends, individuals demonstrate a commitment to growth, foster deeper connections, and cultivate an atmosphere of trust and respect. Ultimately, the courage to apologize enhances one's influence, earning admiration and setting a powerful example for others to follow.